Hey guys, so today we're talking about this latest Yoruba movie titled Omo Akin. Have you ever wondered what happens when a person's strength becomes the very thing that puts their life in danger? Well, that's exactly the kind of situation we find ourselves dealing with in Omo Akin. So guys, this Yoruba movie takes us through a journey filled with drama, emotions, betrayal, difficult choice, and the consequence of choosing what we want. Honestly, this is one of those movies that we have you watching one scene and asking yourself, wait, how did we even get here? So if you haven't seen Omoakin yet, don't worry, sit back, relax, because we're about to break this movie down. So let's get into today's video. This movie titled Omoakin revolves around characters whose lives become entangled in circumstances that test their courage, loyalty, and judgment. At the center of the story is the struggle between doing what is right and doing what it is not. So guys, if you have not seen this movie yet, Omoakin, why? Go and watch this movie and come back to our YouTube channel to give your own review in the comment section, to give your own thoughts in the comment section. And yes, overall, I would say this movie, Omo Akin, is a decent Yoruba drama that delivers a mixture of emotion, drama, and life lessons. It may not be perfect movie, but it has everything a drama should have. Enough lessons, enough emotion, and enough of everything you expect in a movie. And yes, for me, I'll be giving this movie a 7 out of 10. It's not bad at all. But now I want to hear from you. Have you watched this movie? What can you say about it? Drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Yoruba movie reviews and recommendation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.